Capacity, delivering trusted omni-channel fulfillment solutions that increase customer satisfaction and brand integrity. Lightning Pick, providing advanced light-directed technologies to increase productivity and improved process efficiency. Pick to light cart, put to light, solution.
My partner and CEO, Jeff Caden, and his father, Alan Caden, come out of a consulting background where Alan was with NASA in the mid-60s. He left, started his own civil engineering practice, designing warehouses and distribution centers. Jeff grew up in a basement with a whiteboard, looking at throughput analysis, time and motion studies, all of these things which have informed how we do business.
Capacity had an order fulfillment need. Lightning Pick had the custom-designed order fulfillment solution. A Capacity team member starts the batch picking process by registering the totes to the customized pick cart. The SKU location is displayed on the picking cart. The cart is taken by the picker to the location displayed on the pick cart. The units are then located on the pick wall, scanned, the lights illuminate displaying the number of units to be picked. Those units are placed into their corresponding totes. Once all the units have been picked, the cart is brought to the put wall for deconsolidation into individual customer orders. The totes are unloaded from the pick cart to the center cart. The cart is taken to the put wall. A Capacity team member pulls the tote from the center cart. The tote is then scanned. Each unit within the tote is scanned. A light illuminates, showing the appropriate put bay for the placement of the units. The units are then placed in their corresponding bays. Once all the required products are sorted on the put side to complete an order, a corresponding light illuminates on the pack side. This alerts packers to start the pack-out process for that order. Capacity team members then scan the boxes for fulfillment, remove the units from the bays, and pack the units for shipment.
We really don't want the folks who are putting 1,200 units in an hour to be thinking about anything other than what I like to call their video game. Really, training a new person on the system is like training somebody to use a video game. Scan the unit, see the light, press the button. Scan the unit, see the light, press the button. It's really sort of, you get into this sort of Zen-like flow.
Could you share some of the improvements that you saw with respect to both the productivity and the accuracy with the most recently installed system?
Sure. So first and foremost, we went from a paper picking environment where we had what we called 6 eyes on each order. A picker, a packer, and a QC supervisor would confirm that the right units were picked. In this situation, with the picking carts and then the put wall, we're scanning each unit twice. Accuracy is so good that I can't even tell you what the error rate is. It's so low. We're just starting to mine some of the data surrounding our productivity on this. But if I were to talk about a maximum throughput day where we're working shifts around the clock, when we're at top productivity, we're getting as many as 1,000 orders through that put wall in any given hour.
In Capacity's example, the put-to-light was a necessary component of an e-commerce solution. You have a lot of orders with a 3 to 5 item level count per order. But at the same time, you have to get all that product together in order to fulfill those orders. And in your situation, the cart worked very well for that because you could go out and pick batches, and in this case, 16 batches at a time, to bring to a deconsolidation area with the put walls.
So typically in a pack system, it's store fulfillment, and a pack location is a store, or in a lot of cases it's a portion of a store.
Right.
Right. And that dynamic doesn't change very frequently. For your needs, it had to change.
Because we're fulfilling individual purchase orders
Right.
that have a beginning and an end.
Right.
And once the purchase order is done, you got to clear it out and get on to the next one.
Right.
Or it could be for a new client, in our case.
Correct.
The slot might be used for a different product line altogether.
Yep, and we were able to work together. We put some software changes in, some operational controls,
Yep.
and together you're able to satisfy that. And I think the cart pick to put system was kind of the same. You know, you guys had some unique challenges, and we took our products and we made some modifications. Your solution's really slick. It works very well.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it works nicely.